Okay, hey guys. So we're doing my eyebrow routine. I don't even know why I sound like this, but so we're starting out with the Kiko Extra Sculpt Automatic Pencil in the number 05. I love this. It has the brush at the opposite side, and then of course the pencil on the other. So first you want to do is outline the bottom. I like to do like light strokes, as you can see, and you're going to just go along the bottom, and then you're going to go along the top, and yeah, so you see how I'm doing it, filling in the top a little bit. You always want to trace your natural eyebrow. I over tweezed and razored too much, so I'm actually like following where I will have hairs at. So that's what you want to do, and then once you got those outlines, you just fill it in, and then you just want to brush through to get the gradient effect in the front. We do not want any boxy brows in 2018. Like, that just has to cut out. And now I'm just taking some concealer. Sometimes I go between the Maybelline Master Conceal concealer, or I'll do the Kiko Milano 2-in-1 foundation in Neutral 60 to outline my brows. First I do like the middle to end, just to get my arch right, because I always mess up with my arch. And then I go and do the front of my brow. I like to always bring it in as if it's a unibrow. That way, when you do it that way, you can make sure that the eyebrows are actually identical, like the same thickness and stuff like that. And then I like to go a little bit above, like high up on my forehead, as you can see, just to get most of the product off the brush. And then I trace the shape of my eyebrow on the top to clean it up. This is all for cleaning up purposes. You don't have to go this light. For under the brow, yes, you want to go at least a shade or two lighter than your skin tone. For the top, if you're a beginner, I suggest that you use your foundation color. That way it blends seamlessly within, and you don't have like the harsh line, or if you forget to blend it out, you can just, it's easier for you. And then, as you can see right now, I'm just blending it out. Yes. Here go John, poking for me. But yeah, I'm just blending it out with the brush, and then now I'm taking my sponge to get that like effect. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all see what I'm doing. I hate explaining things, but a lot of you guys requested that I talk through my videos, so that's what I'm doing. So yeah, that part that I just did, you always want to create light strokes to mimic hairs. So that's what I'm doing. And when I started putting out my eyebrow, I didn't know which eyebrow I needed more to fill in, so that's how I did that. So yeah, that's basically it. And then you just want to keep going back and forth, doing that to however you like your brows. And yeah, that's it. If you guys have any more questions, definitely leave them down below in the comment section. Everything that I use for my brows will be listed below, and I hope you enjoyed. Later.